It sounds like science fiction, but on distant worlds, it may actually rain diamonds. This isn't just a fantasy, it's a compelling hypothesis grounded in extreme physics, supported by laboratory experiments that simulate these alien environments. Deep within ice giants like Uranus and Neptune, intense lightning storms break down methane into carbon soot. As it falls, the pressure builds to millions of times that of Earth, squeezing the soot into solid diamonds. These crystals continue their slow descent, a silent, glittering rain in the planet's dark heart. Follow to explore more of the universe's infinite wonders.